All right, so Hilda was asking me that there are some times when people don't know about BTTV or how to use it, and some other times when they really have no idea how to get it, even though you tell them like, hey, go get the whole thing. So there are two types of emotes that you can get, and one set of those emotes are from a page called Better TTV, and the other ones are from a page called FFZ or Franker Faces. So the idea is that you want to install a plugin that allows you to see them on Twitch. It's gonna change your chat interface a little bit, but by default it's not that bad. And you're gonna be able to see all those emotes that you can see on the chat box over there. You see a lot of frogs and a raccoon shaking right now on that box, but you don't see them in your chat box. Then what you see is just a lot of text. The idea is to get FFZ or BTTV. So you can get individual plugins from each one of those pages. The page of Better TTV will be betterttv.com. You will land on this page, and you could download your plugin for your browser, either Chrome or Firefox. However, I would recommend you to go to the other group, FFZ, which is frankerfaces.com. That's faces with an Z at the end. frankerfaces.com. You can see the address here, and you will land on this page. My recommendation: come to this page and download this one only. If you download this this plugin, you're gonna get a new button on your Twitch. Let's go to Twitch. So you're gonna be here on Twitch, and you're gonna get a new button. Your new button is gonna be here next to your profile picture on the upper right corner of your Twitch page. You're gonna click on that. It looks like a nose, I would say. So click on that, and you're gonna have your menu of Franker Faces. You have now, at this point, you can already see the FFZ emotes, but FFZ emotes are static, whereas BTTV has animated ones. So you want to enable those too. So on this page, you will come to your left. There is a menu. It's called add-ons. You're going to click on that, and you're going to see that here, one of the options is Better TTV emotes, and you are going to enable it. Once you enable it, you are seeing all the emotes possible on chat, and it's that easy. There are also other options that you can tinker with if you want to have your chat a little bit bigger, or change the colors, or have timestamps, things like that. But if you just want to keep it simple and just see the emotes, then you will enable this one, download FFC, enable this one, and there you go. You already have all your emotes, and you can see that people in chat are not having a stroke, they're not dying, they are actually communicating through frogs. Hey, no, thank you for asking.